Alright, this video is going to be a pretty short one. This is the internals components of a pump module, and I'm just going to show a couple of maintenance troubleshooting things you might run into. The first is, there is a filter on here, and you may get some debris in your filter. It's a stainless steel strainer filter, whatever. It's pretty easy to clean it. You just take this off, and there's the stainless steel element. Pull this out if need be. Get everything all cleaned up. Use some brake cleaner or whatever you want to clean it with. But that's pretty much it. That's how you clean your filter, in case that would be clogged. The next up I wanted to show you is the meter. This is the awesome little meter we use. If you ever have it jam up or think maybe it's jammed up, you can take these 4 screws off the front. You can inspect it, clean it, put it back in service. So this plate comes off. Pay attention when you take this part off. If your cord's coming down, when you put it back on, it should go the same way. If your cord was going up, put it on the same way. Also on this plate, it's got a side that's all aluminum and a side that has epoxy. The epoxy should always be on the dry side. So this is what's inside that meter. As the fluid passes through, it causes these gears to turn. The gears have magnets in them. Those magnets create our pulses out. So I can see my seal is good here. I'll pull one of those gears out. They just pull straight out. And I'm going to look at the other side. And this one is the one with the magnet. Because that's what that is. That's what holds the magnet in. So it's important, if I take these both out at the same time, that this one goes back into this position. If I would get them reversed and put the magnet one here, it would not work. Also, if I put it in like this instead, the magnet's on the wrong side. It won't work. It's a little fun getting these out. It's definitely not super easy, but it is doable. So the main thing you're looking for here with a system that had been working already is it may be being jammed. So it's very important when you put that, if you've cleaned it and you put that back in, that you make sure you can spin them and that they don't ever jam up, because they're timed. One's straight up and one's crossways. If you're off by one tooth, it will not work. So that one is in good shape. Has to be very clean to not jam. So at this point you would just reassemble everything and you'd be up and running. So that's cleaning your filter and cleaning your meter.